Hello, y'all. I wanted to come and tell y'all real quick before I start the video that I did my very best to try to edit everything. I'm still learning. This is so new to me. And I was like, I was, I was psycho with it. So I hope y'all can follow it. If you have any questions, definitely please leave them down in the comments. And you can totally make fun of me if you want. It's totally fine. I get it. So yeah, that's oof, it was yeah, it's not. But I'm like, it's not good. But it definitely is oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, y'all. I can't wait to show it to you. And so that's the reason why that I'm gonna go ahead and post it. I was just gonna do some pictures and then put like that like out there, like then do the video of the actual end product. But I want to show y'all a little bit of how I did it, and I did the best that I could. So please be kind and know that that I'm doing my very best. And I absolutely love my subscribers. Y'all are super sweet. Oh my God, it's super kind. So, I really don't think that I would be on here. I would have kept doing videos of the things that I love to make if it weren't for y'all. And that is the absolute truth. So thank you so very much. And thank you for looking at my ugly mug here. So, and I've been working all day, and yeah, so I'm a little bit I'm sure I'm a little glossy. But yeah, you guys are amazing. Y'all are awesome sauce. And thank you so much for watching. I edited it the best way that I could. And the pictures are at the end if you want to skip to that. So, oh God, y'all, this is my new favorite thing. This is my new favorite piece that I've made. So I am so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited to share this with y'all and just enjoy it. So in between the 3 silver pick decorations, I'm adding one in between of each of those. And I'm placing it like so. And then I'm going to take the 3 little notches. I hope y'all can see that. And I'm gonna just place those two together to make a smaller decoration. Okay. Now the creative side comes in. Okay, so my next step is I took these little bling stickers and I've put them all around the inside. And I've got just a couple rows and a few more to do, and then we'll go on to the next thing. So taking a dab of hot glue, I'm just gluing around here, around where the tines meet on each of these guys. I'm placing another 3 gems on the longer picks, and then we skip to the next one, and I'm going to be doing 2 on the medium-sized picks. I'm just doing this on the picks where the actual pick is pointing out. I'm now placing at the ends of each one of the guys that doesn't have the tines on it, that just has the 3 little notches, I am going to add a bling to each one of those. So it's going to be like so. I'm now going to add a bling to each of the ends of the rest of my picks that do not have the little spoon on them. And all of this stuff is coming off of my floral foam. So before I hang it up, I am going to Mod Podge. Let me show y'all real quick. I've just thought about it, and I'm going to have to Mod Podge the back. Ooh, there's a bling. There's a bling. Okay, so I'm gonna have to Mod Podge the back of it and then let it dry, and that way that it's gonna not be doing all this crazy stuff all over my floor in my living room. So that is a good idea if you are planning on using that kind of 3D effect where it comes out of the wall rather than just putting on command strips. For my next step, I cut off the pieces that I'm going to need of the flower mesh. Here it is right here. And I'm adding in the center of each piece a little bling. And this, oh sorry, and this is like the little difference of it. So like, it looks pretty like this, but in real life, I hope that I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it looks so much better like that. And like I said, on camera, it's not that as pretty, but it really does look so much prettier, like in person. So, and when you see the end result, I think that it will shine through. These are the ones that I'm using. Actually, these are the smallest gems on this paper of these that I got from Walmart, of course. Now, I keep saying Walmart, and I keep maybe repeating things, but this is the first video that I'm doing for like kind of doing things through steps like people have been asking, and I'm still new at it, and so I'm also coming from a place of being an old lady. So, well, I'm 47, so yeah, I just turned 47, so yeah, bear with me, y'all. I'm doing my very best, but I think it's turning out really cute. And even just those little 3 things that I have done, considering like all around here, and then just the 6 little pieces of this flower mesh that I've put on, look at the difference. I mean, already, just from afar away, I think it looks so much better. So I'm still going psycho with it. So I'm going to be placing flower mesh on the longest I can't talk. That's so funny. And here it is. I think it turned out really nice.